Hello everyone, today I have a very good project I'd like to share with you. I make a vertical garden with recycling plastic bottles and self-watering planters. You can see I have all my herbs here, little fish mints, and earlier you saw a sweet mint, peppermint, and now grease, oregano, parsley, and thyme. Oh, that one is a butterfly pea flower. And you can see the water underneath to be self-watering. Please come to see with me and I share you what I was doing. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigoncook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my video and subscribe. Thank you, it means a lot to me. These are plastic bottles that we drink in juice. Now I remove all the labels and papers outside the bottles just for clean look. Just that easy. Now I need to make two pots, one holding water and one holding plants. So now I just need to make a hole. I use the tip of the scissor to make a hole, and I use a utility knife to make an incision. And then now I have the hole, and I use the scissor to cut around it to divide the one bottle into two pieces. And keep in mind that I want the plant parts bigger than the water parts. So the top I will cut a little longer than the bottom. But it's all up to you if you like to do the same thing as I do. You can divide it in half or give the proportion that you like. So I recruit the help of my husband. He has a strong hand, so he cut up like nobody. Now I remove the caps because I need to thread a cloth strand into that hole. Now to make them look more beautiful, I decided to paint them blue. And right now I stir in my paint and get them ready to paint. Remember that I only paint them outside because the paint is chemical. I don't want the chemical inside. That is where the plants are and the water is. So just paint outside to make them look nice but still safe to eat the herbs later. And that's it. I let all the paints dry, and you can see I have a bunch of them because I intended to make 3 stories like this. It's about 9 of them. So this is how it works. The top part I inverted like so, and I will fill them with the dirt. It is the soil, the garden soil with homemade compost. I use scraps, vegetable scraps from the garden, from the kitchen, and bury them in the dirt in the garden, and over time they become soil, and that is very good for become my dirt and fertilizer for many plants that I've grown. Now I thread the first strand into the holes and I fill with the dirt. I thread the second one. I think that better from the top down. You keep in mind that you need some length so that the water, the strand will touch the water underneath. And the inside, I separate the strands into two directions so that later the water will absorb from the bee underneath and go up here and moist the plants. That's why I want them in two directions so that they just not clump into one place. So when I'm happy with this, I fill with the dirt, and now it's time to plant my plants. Here I have a bag of parsley. Can you see that I use the plastic bag from Walmart shopping? I can say that I am the queen of recycling. I reuse and recycle everything. Nothing going to waste. So I sow my parsley seed in here, and now they are strong and big. They are ready to separate. So I separate this one bag into two planters that I created. You can see that is plenty of space. Now the parsley inside, I refill the dirt so that they steady stand up in the planter. I will cover the dirt to the root base and around the planter like so. And over time, if I see that I need to refill the dirt again, I will do so. But in the meantime, the dirt is enough for my plants. So I'm done with it, and now I'm spraying the water to have the plants for the first transplant day. If it's hot outside, I will go spray a few more times. And the top is okay now. I fill the bottom with water, and that's it. You can see over time the plants will get the water from underneath through the cloth strands, and I just need to water fill the water once or twice a week. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.